how to turn on edits to your page, comments, notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on edits to your page, comments, notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and scroll down until you find here this one, pages, and then select your page. And now just click this one here in the top corner and click notifications on Facebook, and you will find this one like that. What you need to do, just click on it, one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.